Let me tell you something you might not fully believe yet. 2026 is your year. Not because life will suddenly become easy. Not because problems will disappear. Not because luck will finally find you. But because you're different now. You've been through enough to know what you don't want. You've failed enough to learn what doesn't work. You've waited long enough to realize that nobody is coming to save you. And that awareness? That's power. For a long time, life felt like it was happening to you. Plans didn't work out. Effort went unnoticed. Progress felt slow or invisible. You showed up, but results didn't. You tried, but nothing changed. And slowly, doubt started creeping in. Maybe it wasn't meant for you. Maybe you started too late. Maybe you're just not built for more. But listen carefully. Every season of struggle is training for a season of growth. 2026 isn't special because it's a new year. It's special because you are no longer the same person walking into it. You're walking in with scars, with lessons, with a clearer vision. You've learned that motivation fades, that discipline matters, that consistency beats intensity. You're no longer chasing everything. You're choosing what matters. And that changes everything. Let's be honest. You've wasted time before. You've doubted yourself before. You've quit on things you should have finished. But that doesn't disqualify you. It qualifies you. Because now you know the cost of procrastination. Now you understand how dangerous comfort can be. Now you felt the pain of staying the same. And pain, when used correctly, becomes fuel. In 2026, you stop waiting for the right moment. You move even when you're unsure. You act even when confidence is low. You show up even when nobody is clapping. Because you finally understand something important. Progress doesn't come from feeling ready. It comes from acting anyway. This is the year you stop making promises you don't keep. No more "I'll start next month." No more when things slow down. No more waiting for motivation. This is the year you build quiet habits. Early mornings, focused hours, small wins stacked daily. No hype, no noise, just results. You don't need to change your entire life in one day. You just need to change how you show up every day. One disciplined decision at a time. One focused hour at a time. One uncomfortable step at a time. That's how momentum is built. That's how confidence grows. That's how ordinary people create extraordinary outcomes. In 2026, you stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You stay in your lane. You trust your pace. You measure progress against who you were yesterday, not who others are today. Because comparison kills consistency. And consistency is your unfair advantage. There will still be hard days. Days when progress feels slow. Days when quitting feels tempting. Days when doubt gets loud. But this time, you won't stop. This time, you'll remind yourself why you started, how far you've come, what staying the same costs. And you'll keep going. 2026 is the year you become reliable to yourself. When you say you'll do something, you do it. When it gets hard, you don't disappear. When results are slow, you stay patient. That self-trust you build, it changes how you see yourself. And when you change how you see yourself, the world responds differently. Let me be clear. This year won't reward excuses. It won't care about intentions. It won't slow down for fear. But it will reward discipline, focus, courage, consistency. And you are capable of all four. So when 2026 tests you, and it will, remember this moment. Remember that you decided to stop drifting, that you chose direction over comfort, that you committed to growth even when it's uncomfortable. That decision alone already separates you from most people. You don't need validation. You don't need permission. You don't need applause. You need action. And you're ready. So say it quietly, but believe it deeply. 2026 is my year. Not because I hope so, but because I'm willing to do the work. This is the voice of hustle. And if you stay consistent, if you stay disciplined, if you keep showing up, this won't just be your year. It will be the year everything changes. Speak less. Grind more.